Hi guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead. So this is the concrete pour for the back patio. It's not the perfect square, but those blocks need to be removed. We just use them as a barrier to keep the concrete from spreading in. So that's what it looks like now. There's some dirt over there. That dirt needs to be removed. I need to pull these blocks off, and yeah, I need to lay blocks, but I'm gonna start framing out the front one, the front patio up there, or should I say the front porch up there, and then get back to making the columns. Over there is gonna be like another patio that's not covered, and then that will lead down into the garden. So that's that, and we have a storm coming our way, a tropical depression coming our way. That's due for Sunday, so I have no idea what the plan is, but we have that spot left there. It's a good thing we left that part out to allow the water to run off. But I guess whatever rain we get is still good enough to wash away all the dirt, because I have some dirt over there. That part needs to smooth off. That's the foundation level right there, so just need to smooth off and need to get it neat. Everything is just a rough work right now. Interior wise, everything will be corrected and hidden, so I'm not worried too much about how it looks right now. I'm just worried about structural integrity right now. Yep, so this is up there is what I'm working with. It's gonna be in the middle. Let's see if I can get over there without falling. Okay, so the size of this patio will be where those two anchors are. So it's probably about 5 feet wide roughly, and about 3 feet, 5 feet long, 3 feet wide, and then another round step over there. So you're going to step down off the patio onto another step, or step up onto the patio, whichever way. That will help to keep some of the water from running along the foundation, which is causing the flooding in the basement. I'm also gonna clear this section and fill it with concrete, and then add those block spaces need to be filled out to prevent water from seeping under. I'm gonna put it with concrete and then put some flower pots there, or probably just make it into my walkway, another walkway. I'm not sure I wanted flowers, but I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Nothing is set in stone. Over here will probably be a little dog house, either here or around here, but right at the front, somewhere at the front. So probably down here or over here. Chances are I'm gonna put it right here, right at the front. So I'm gonna this was my initial project for Sunday. Not sure how much I can get done today because this is stone and it's harder for me to move. It's not like it's dirt. But I am gonna try my best. I don't think I'm gonna do much digging or like filling. Probably fill it with concrete. I mean the same stone right here. And just lay the blocks. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna line it out. So stay tuned.